Welcome to the world of pint-sized pooches, where the doggos may be small, but their personalities are larger than life. If you've ever dreamed of owning a canine that fits comfortably in a handbag, these top 5 miniature dogs are your ultimate match. First up, the Chihuahua. The tiny tot with the confidence of a lion and ears that double as radar dishes. Next, the Pomeranian, aka the fluff ball, with a penchant for being both regal and mischievous at the same time. Don't count out the Yorkshire Terrier, who might be pocket-sized but packs a punch when it comes to spunk and sass. And let's not forget the Dachshund. With their elongated bodies and stubby legs, they're the undisputed champions of the long dog short legs beauty contest.